guys, my name is Mehtab and welcome back to my cubing video. In today's video I am going to unbox a cube named as Psi W. It is from the company of Shanggi. So in today's video we are going to unbox this. Before unboxing, let's look about the overall box. The first here is written as Speed Cube, nothing else. This is a sticker cube, not a stickerless one. And look about this, he's the Matchbox of record of 4.745 seconds. It's pretty awesome, and it's some information that this cube is only for about 3 years old children's, not for below them, and it's made in China, and some information here. And here is written more than a professional speed cube, nothing else. So let's look about inside the cube, inside the box. So here is some information about the cube, and the proper name is written here, I think, where here it's written Geecube Moshangi 3x3x3 speed cube. Here is a tutorial. Let's put aside this and let's directly go into the cube. So yeah, this is look like this. Here is written something in Chinese. Yeah, it's pretty good. It's have a good color scheme and a bright one. It's perfect. Let's go for the first turn. It's pretty awesome. It's pretty good. It's pretty good. It's pretty awesome. Yeah. That's all. So this is Shanggi Psi Cube. So let's compare with my old cube name as with no company. I just buy it for $100. I actually have written alphabets because I am learning blindfolded. So you can see the size. My no brand cube has a bit more bigger as compared to a sticker one. It is a stickerless. Actually this one is more smoother because it's new, that's why it's lube. That's why I think so. Yeah, it's pretty good. This one is pretty good. This is my primary cube. I always practice with this. This is my new cube. I will try to just use it for a while and see how it's perform in my cube. So let's have a scramble and look who's more faster. So yeah, now I have scrambled the cube with a same algorithm. Here you will get the scramble algorithm. You can check out this have been scrambled by the same algorithm. Now let's go for the old one. I will scramble from yellow, up yellow and front blue. So let's see who is faster, and also depend that it does not mean that which cube is more faster. It depends upon how and which algorithm you use and which method is used to solve a Rubik's cube. So let's start and solve it and look at which one is more faster. So in 3, 2, 1, go. next time for a new one. So same, I will put a yellow on top, yellow in top and blue in front. So yeah, let's start. That's all. So to be honest, both of the cubes are much better, but to be honest, this one is more faster as compared to my old one. So I can say that this cube is cheap, but the performance is good. So I can recommend you to buy it for your good performance. So if you like my video, make sure hit that subscribe button and also like my video. And before going out, you can make sure to comment down and you can tell me any dare or any something that related to my cube. You can give me a truth or dare for most interesting way. So if you like my video, you make sure hit that subscribe and make sure you click on the bell icon, because notification is much important. So till then, make sure be safe and peace out.